The coin shown is a 2004 Belgian euro cent coin, identifiable by the portrait of King Albert II of Belgium facing left, surrounded by the 12 stars of the European Union, which symbolize unity, solidarity, and harmony among the member states. On the right side of the portrait, the royal monogram A, topped with a crown, represents King Albert II's reign, while the year 2004 is clearly visible at the bottom, marking its year of issue. This coin belongs to the Eurocent series, most commonly the 1 cent or 2 cent denomination, struck in copper-plated steel, giving it its characteristic reddish-brown color. The Belgian euro coins were designed by Jan Alphonse Koistermans, and the portrait style reflects a dignified and realistic representation of the monarch, emphasizing Belgium's constitutional monarchy within the European framework. Issued during the early expansion years of the euro currency, the 2004, Belgian cent coins were minted in large quantities for everyday circulation, making them common but historically meaningful as part of Europe's unified monetary system. While its monetary value today remains close to face value, the coin holds collector interest due to its national design, royal symbolism, and its place in early 21st century European numismatic history. For coin enthusiasts and YouTube antique coin channels, this coin represents a perfect example of how modern European coins blend national identity with continental unity, making the 2004 Belgian euro cent a small yet significant piece of Europe's shared story.